Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. To recap, I'm doing the challenge where I'm flipping $300 until I can buy a supercar. And you saw the last episode, I flipped $300 into $1,500. And now I am resuming this video from right there. So first I bought these $300 rims that are 22 inch. The reason for me buying these is because I had good success with the rims last time. My analysis is that these rims are worth near $1,000, but if I can double or anything more than double the $300, that's a success for me right now. So I'm holding on to these until I get a good price. I also got this 1980s Yamaha RM125 bike frame. I got it for free and I was able to sell it for $120. I also got the engine and the parts as well. And the same guy came and gave me a whopping $200. So now with all of these transactions, I am starting to get into the territory of where I can actually buy vehicles. So I picked up a 2010 Ninja 250 for only $500. That is a steal. It looked like it has been sitting for quite some time. It needs some kind of carb cleaning and quite some work to this, but a lot of the maintenance has been done already. After putting a lot of time and effort into it, I got the bike running right. The key idea here was getting something rough for cheap, making it run right, making it a little bit better shape, and then sending it off. Still a little bit of an issue. It wasn't full perfect, but it was much better than before. Posted this bike in hopes of getting what the market is worth, and I ended up selling it a little bit cheaper. I just wanted to give the other guy a good deal too, so I ended up selling it for $1,800, taking in the consideration of like fixing it all up. Anyways, that was a good amount of profit I made on this. So $520 minus selling it for $1,800 leave me at a total of $1,300 profit. Now it's starting to get exciting, so I want to see if I can get a car next. If you guys have any suggestions on where I should invest the money next, let me know down in the comments below.